Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, April 26, 2026. Judy Ann Santos napataob, si Bea Alonzo bilang bet na leading lady ni Piolo Pascual. Aminado si Piolo Pascual na nais niyang makagawa ng pelikula kasama si Judy Ann Santos. Sinabi ito mismo ng aktor sa latest vlog ni Matteo Guidicelli na, Matteo G Primetime, na mapapanood sa YouTube. Sa segment na, Last Leading Ladies Standing, ay papapiliin ni Matteo kung sino sa mga larawang ipapakita niya kay Piolo ang gusto niyang makawork ulit. Kasama sa mga choices sina Bea Alonzo na nakatambal niya sa Dream Boy, noong 2005 at Angel Locsin for Love Me Again, noong 2009. Komento ng aktor, I love them both. I can't choose one because they're both my friends. Si Bea ang napili ni Piolo dahil mas nauna raw niyang nakilala kumpara kay Angel L, pero inamin ng aktor na mahal niya ang huli na kasalukuyang hindi aktibo sa kanyang showbiz career. Next ay si Tony Gonzaga Soriano na nakawork ng aktor sa Starting Over Again, noong 2014 versus Bea. Oh my, that's hard. I love teen, sambit ni Piolo. Sagot ni Matteo, I know you love all your leading ladies but that is not the question. The question is if you're given a project, who would you like to choose? Okay, I'll go for Bea. I've done 2 movies with Teen and Bea, Dream Boy, so I want to work together again, so, yeah, it's Bea, saad ng aktor. Hirit pa ni Piolo, your game is complicated, haha, na ikinatawa na lang ng host. Si Ginang Don Zulueta Lagdameo ang next picture na nakawork ni Piolo sa Love Me Tomorrow, noong 2016 versus Bea. I love Miss Don. I super love her face, very motherly when we did the movie together and we still in touch and icon yan, classic beauty but I still go with Bea, diretsong sabi ni Piolo. Next was Claudine Barreto na nakasama ni Piolo sa Milan, noong 2004 versus Bea. Clau, wow, yeah. I go a long way back with Clau, she helped me a lot on my career, kasikatan kasi noon ng aktres, we did a movie, Milan and she really took care of me. We shot in Milan, Rome, Venice, she really took care of me when I was just starting off sa Star Magic, but I go with Bea as well. Love you Clau, pahayag ni Papa P. Si Judy Ann ang sunod na ipinakita ni Matteo na nakasama ni Piolo sa pelikulang, Don't Give Up on noong 2006. Okay, I'll just let you know that I've been wanting to work with Juday for the longest time, siguro just what she said, we just wait with the right project. We did 5 or 6 na movies, a lot of teleseries and she's really helped me a lot on my career, you know. And if even a chance, sana hindi kami sobrang tumanda ng husto bago magkatrabaho ulit. I'll go with Juday. I love you Bea. Explica ni Piolo. Grabe, si Juday ang nakapagpataob kay Bea matapos siyang piliin ni Piolo after 5 leading ladies. Syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang wifey ni Matteo na si Sara Geronimo Gudicelli na nakasama sa The Breakup Playlist noong 2015 versus Judy Ann. I still want to work with Sara G after Breakup Playlist, especially now that she's your wife and sensitive rin kasi si Sars, pet name ni Papa P, magaling umarte si Sars, pero syempre ibibigay ko na siya sa tamang tao. So, sa iyo na si Sars, sa akin na si Juday, say ni Piolo. Tila hindi matanggap ni Matteo na mas pinili ni Piolo si Juday kaysa kay Sara. Pero walang nagawa ang host, so, Judy Ann Santos wins.
Again, standing right here, very, very strong Bea Alonzo, ladies and gentlemen. And the next one, Bea Alonzo or Judy Ann Santos, Don't Give Up on Us. You can shout, studio. Come on, give me some love, give me some love.
And I've been wanting to work with Juday for the longest time. Siguro, just like what she said, it has to be the right project because we did 5 or 6 movies. We did a lot of teleseries. And she's really helped me a lot in my career.
Okay.
You know. And yeah, given a chance, you know, sana hindi kami tumanda ng sobra bago magkatrabaho ulit.
So you want to work with Juday?
I'll go with Juday.
Really?
Yeah.
Madam Bea, pasensya
Love
na,
you, Bea.
pasensya na.
Yeah.
Piolo loves you very much. Say oh, you can say oh. Okay, don't be shy.
Aww.
Okay.
Panoorin ang buong video sa Matteo Guidicelli YouTube channel at mag-subscribe. Bisitahin ang website ng Bandera para sa kabuuan ng artikulo, i-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest Showbiz Chika update for today. Please like and share ang video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-click ang notification bell for more Showbiz Chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.